Hi guys, welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today we're doing ColourPop Mystery Unboxing, so make sure you see this video.
Okay, so for Christmas, I got a ColourPop Mystery Box. I really wanted this for Christmas, and I got one. Don't mind this part here. I had to rip off the label so you didn't see my address. But the girls are gonna help me unbox this. Now I've already peeked inside like I do all the time because I can't wait. I'm impatient. So I'm super excited to show you everything that I did get in my mystery box. And the girls are gonna help me.
Plus Tint.
Plus Tint. Has been making a lot of appearances in my videos lately.
A lot of cameos.
Okay, so do you want to open it up and we can start, Skylin?
1 second. So I learned this just now.
Skylin's playing with my little tools and stuff up here on my desk. Oh.
Our toothpick fell down.
I'm super excited for all the stuff in this box. So, how about we each grab something from the box and show it off, and you can swatch it on your own arm. So this one is the Barbie Dreamhouse Lip Duo, which I did already get. So I'm gonna actually save this one for a future giveaway. So we're not gonna swatch this, but if you haven't seen my Barbie collection video, make sure to go check that out.
If you haven't seen it, what are you doing?
Also, I'm gonna grab the other repeat. This is the Powerpuff Girls Metallic Color Stix in the shade Him. I also got the Powerpuff Girl collection, so I'm gonna save this for a future giveaway as well.
Make sure you watch that video also.
Sorry, Titin likes to play with
Bags.
All right, Skylin, what is the first thing that you see that you would like to show off to everybody?
I want to show off this.
That's the Hello Kitty Island Shine Pressed Powder Blush.
This is what it looks like.
Ooh, that's a pretty blush. You want to swatch it on your hand? Ooh. Let's make it a little bit darker. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, there we go.
This is what you should really do. Do it 2 times.
Yeah. This is the Faux Lashes, Falsies, in Hunni, which are super adorable. My very first pair of ColourPop Falsies. So I'm super excited about those.
I'm gonna do this Hello Kitty eyeshadow palette. Here we go. It's called Teenie Kini. These are colors in it. It'll focus. Focus. We have Beachy, which is a nice rose gold-ish color. So it's right there. Then we have Hula Hoop. See? Very bright orange. And then we have Itsy Bitsy, which is a darker orangey red.
Ooh, look at those colors, Skylin.
Ooh. And then we have Sandcastle, which is like a shiny orange.
Ooh.
Right there. I like those.
So pretty. What are you gonna do next?
These 2.
You're gonna do those 2? Okay. So this one is the Lizzie McGuire Glitterally Obsessed Glitter Gel. Ooh. And this one's in the shade Sing to Me Paulo.
Did you watch Lizzie McGuire?
I did used to watch Lizzie McGuire.
Never seen it.
Is it romantic?
I wouldn't say romantic. It's like a kid's comedy.
Ooh, kids comedy.
It's on Disney Channel, right?
Yeah, it's on Disney Channel. Ooh. Skylin loves glitter.
Glitter.
I kind of smell it. It has a smell to it. I don't know if it's supposed to have a smell to it, but
It doesn't. So, it kind of looks like the Elsa one.
show it off like this.
It kind of looks like the Elsa glitter.
But this one's more white, and the Elsa glitter is more like silver.
Yeah. Make sure you also look at the Frozen looks that me and my sister did.
Long time ago.
You can see they're up there. Let's do the next.
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Well, I've had my channel for 2 years now. So
This one is called.
Let's see.
this is the Lizzie McGuire Lippie Scrub in Bubblegum Pop.
Ooh, this is probably gonna be one of my favorites. I'm gonna keep in my room.
Well, this one is actually a scrub, so you show it off. Pink, bubblegum pink. So smell it first. It goes on your lips. So what it does is you put it on your lips, and it's got like sugar pieces, like gritty sugar pieces, and you rub your lips together.
I need this.
Yeah, your lips are very chapped, so definitely use it.
So that video was published May 25th, 2020.
Do you want to smell it? It smells like bubblegum.
It kind of tastes like bubblegum.
What you do,
Get it?
Rub your lips together. And
it's a lip scrub.
I
was like, why did you taste it?
Yeah, it's a lip scrub. So, is your lips kind of gritty? And then what you do is wipe it off. All right. Did we get it off now? And Skylin just lost her tooth yesterday.
Ooh. But apparently I didn't lose it. It fell down the drain.
Yeah, she was brushing her teeth and spit, and it went down the drain. But the tooth fairy still did come, right?
Yeah, she gave me $9. I left a note.
Because she left a note explaining what happened, and I'm guessing the tooth fairy said this is a special occasion where you get just a little extra money.
Last time for this tooth hair, I got $2. But since it fell down the drain, I got $9.
It's a big gap for the second tooth. So, sister, what's next? What are you gonna choose?
I'm going to choose this ColourPop palette called Crush. It's pretty packaging.
Yeah, that's a good one for you to choose.
This looks like stuff that I would wear. I'm gonna do it on my other arm. Oh, I have cat hair all over me. You didn't think to tell me I had cat hair all over me? First up, we have this one.
Here.
That is
You got it.
Cherub. I think that's what it's called.
Cherub?
Yeah. And then we have Struck.
It doesn't go on your face.
And we have Arrow, which is super pretty. And we have Love and Bow.
Those are really pretty.
Ooh, it's Bobo.
I'm gonna do this. This one is the EFF liquid liners, and this one is in the shade Honey Girl. It is a nude liner, liquid liner. So
I'm gonna look at these.
might be able to use that and then add like colors on top to kind of make them like into a liner. Because I don't know how often I'd use like a nude eyeliner like wing, but I could maybe put it on and then dab a little bit of eyeshadow on it to make a colored liner.
Or you could do like that and then trace black like just under it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do Hello Kitty pineapple cake.
I used to love Hello Kitty when I was little.
Here's the palette.
There you go.
Kind of bright. So we got Sandy.
That's pretty yellow.
We got Lapina.
Oh yeah, you can feel it. It has a little pineapple.
We got To the Core. Then this cool orange is so sweet.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's more of a yellow.
Like a dark yellowy, like a sunflower yellow maybe?
Mustard yellow.
Mustard yellow? Yeah.
I have this lip crayon called Just a Tint. Just. It says Just a Tint.
It's not focusing very well right now. Sorry about that, guys.
This is the crayon.
Ooh.
The Animal Crossing ones are like this.
Yep.
So that's the color. So like pretty magenta-y.
Oh, you're gonna put it on your lips to show it off. There you go.
Trying to get it to spread. Yeah. That's what it looks like.
That's pretty.
Yeah. It's not as purpley as it looks.
No. I'm going to show off 2 right now. This one is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and this is in the shade Guilty Pleasure. A little hard to twist off there. So Guilty. Oh, I love the Super Shocks because they're so smooth. Oh, I did it right on top. Here, I'm gonna try that again. I did it right on top of that nude liner, so. There we go. Let's see if you can see that there. Again, it's not focusing because there's too many faces in the background. But it's super pretty. I can't tell if it's like, I think this might be a highlighter. Yeah, I'd probably use that as a highlighter. I couldn't tell. When I first got it, I didn't know if it was a highlighter or a blush. And then I got a Super Shock Shadow in Aficionado. Again, you're probably not going to see it very well, but it's like a brown, shimmery brown. All right. And again, I love the Super Shocks. You want to feel them? They're so smooth.
Because they're like textured too.
Yeah.
They have like a pattern on them.
But then it just smooths right out.
Yeah.
And there it is. Again, you can't see it. There you go. I guess you can see them a little bit better when you're further away.
That's so pretty.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. All right, Miss Pouty Pants. You can show off your next thing. That's okay. It'll show that I'm a real mom with a pouty child.
The next thing is the Cherry Crush palette.
There you go.
Ooh. On the back, there's all of these.
All the cherries that have names.
I like the packaging.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Ah.
Those are some really pretty reds and burgundies and pinks. Yeah. All right, can I help you swatch them on your arm?
I got tie and knot.
Ooh, that's pretty. All right, the Skyline's doing the middle row first.
This red is called Very Cherry. The next one is Juicy Juicy.
Now she's going to the top row.
I got Sweet Light.
Cerise, I think? I'm not really sure. Cerise.
Make sure you tell us what that is.
Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that exactly. Cerise.
Anyways,
That's
we're
my
calling it Cerise.
Ooh.
Okay, the next is Cherry Stem.
All right, and then to the bottom row.
I got Scarlet. Black Cherry.
Mm-hmm.
The next one is Take a Bite. This pretty purple, I think.
Oh, yeah.
This pretty purple is Take a Bite.
You did you put the lip, just a tint lippy stick on? The lippy crown on by yourself? You did a really good job. It looks really good on your lips. And this color on your eyes would be really pretty with that lippy stick. So that is the Cherry Crush palette.
Cherry Crush!
All right, we have one last thing in the box.
They are so pretty.
Hayden went ahead and started swatching them, so it would be a lot easier. For the last thing in the box, which is, Hayden?
Cabana Club.
Cabana Club palette.
They are so pretty.
Hayden has fallen in love.
Look at those. And they apply so nicely.
They are gorgeous. Did you just do like one swipe with the finger?
Make sure you get a mystery box, and I hope you get this palette.
Look at these.
I mean this set.
Okay, so on the top we have like this brown. Oh wait, it's kind of like a gold-ish. It's hard to see because of the lighting. It's called High Season, and then we have the brown, which is called Rattan. Rattan.
Rattan. I say rattan.
Then the pink is Bikini. The blue is Cool Off. It's super pretty.
Such a pretty blue.
Go Bananas is that yellow. Copa Cutie is
that pink. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, that kind of shimmery pink. And then the gold is Limelight. Then this shiny orange is Bahama Mama. This kind of dark orangey brown is Take It Easy. This darker brown, which is really pretty, is Throw Shade. This gorgeous purple is Cha Cha Cha. And this navy blue is Pool Party.
Pool Party. Oh gosh.
And like I said, I only swiped once on these.
This is a gorgeous palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm excited
with every swipe. I was like, oh
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So my last video, I mentioned not, canceling BoxyCharm and not wanting to get new products. Yes, I canceled BoxyCharm. But this box doesn't count because this was a Christmas present. And so, yeah.
It's also not a BoxyCharm, it's a ColourPop Mystery Box.
Yes.
Different.
And I'll also be asking this for my birthday in April as well because this is so awesome. I love ColourPop. ColourPop's my favorite, and I think I've mentioned that many, many times. And ColourPop is the majority of all my makeup. Anyway, yeah.
That's pretty much it.
I forgot to mention last video that this is my 2 years. I'm on to 2 years now with my channel. And Happy New Year. Forgot to say that. I did like 5 different takes on my last video, like retakes. So I mentioned it at one of those retakes, just not the last one that I ended up keeping. So sorry about that.
Happy 2022.
Yeah. Say Happy New Year, sleepy butt.
I know, sleepy butt.
Are you sure? No. Okay.
I just want to play with my friends.
You want to play with your friends? I know you do. Are you ready to say goodbye?
Goodbye. Bye.
Until next time.
Make sure you watch the next video.
Until next time. Bye.
Bye.